This is the Poco F6 at pag-uusapan natin if it is a good buy or goodbye. So I'm starting a new series called Goodbye or Goodbye kung saan pag-uusapan natin if sulit ba yung isang gadget or item. Let's see if this Poco F6 is worth its price. So let's start off with the pricing. Yung device ko is actually titanium with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. Yung pinaka-SRP niya talaga is 24,999 and currently it's on sale for 23,999. And kung gusto mo naman na medyo makatipid, pwede na yung 8256 variant for 21,599. So for that price, what do you actually get? Disclaimer lang pala, I bought this thing with my own money and hindi po sponsored ang video na to. Pero Poco, baka naman. So let's start off with the design. It follows the trend kung saan flat na yung sides ng phone pero hindi siya ganun ka-uncomfortable hawakan kasi merong slight na curve dito sa backplate, which is actually made of plastic. As for the camera design, I actually like what they did pero medyo mako-confuse ka lang kung ano ba tong itim dito. Wala siyang purpose talaga. Yung nasa palibot niya, yan yung flash. And as for the screen, flat lang siya so hindi ka magkakaproblema na maghanap ng screen protector. Munti ko na rin pala makalimutan na yung front screen pala nito is protected with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Meron din nga pala siyang dual speakers, isa sa taas at isa sa baba. Now let's talk about performance. Kasi I'm pretty sure na ito yung hinahanap ng mga tao na interested bilhin yung phone na to. It uses a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, a new processor from Qualcomm. So para lang hindi kayo ma-confuse, hindi siya yung Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 which is currently the flagship chipset. Pero mind you, this is no slouch because it actually performs very well with an Antutu score of 1.5 million na katulad na lang din ng 8 Gen 2 na flagship na chipset last year. So it will not fall short when it comes to performance. Just for example, it comes with ultra settings sa Mobile Legends out of the box. And I'm currently playing Zenless Zone Zero and kaya niya yung high and ultra setting at 60 FPS. And kung naglalaro kayo ng HOK, kaya niya yung max FPS and ultra resolution. Although it promises Liquid Cool 4.0, umiinit pa rin talaga yung device kapag ginagamit mo siya on ultra or max setting. Baka maka-experience kayo ng konting FPS drop pero very playable pa rin naman yung mga games. When it comes to the screen naman, it is an OLED screen with 1220p resolution. It is very bright even if gamitin mo siya under the sunlight. And sobrang ganda manood ng series and movies sa phone na to. Huwag kayong maglala kung magmamarathon kayo ng movies and series or if mag-grind kayo sa games kasi hindi siya basta-basta malulobat with 5,000 mAh of battery. And kung malulobat naman kayo, huwag kayong maglala kasi meron siyang 90 watts fast charger which can top up your phone in less than 15 minutes. As for the camera naman, I won't really be talking about it that much kasi ang pinaka-focus naman nito is gaming. Pero I must say, yung camera is actually good for daylight shots pero yung front camera medyo underperforming but it's still decent. Don't get me wrong, hindi pangit yung mga cameras pero meron lang talagang ibang mga phones na mas focus yung ganung mga aspects. Which we can actually talk about in another video. Kung gusto niyo pala marinig yung speakers, hindi ko alam kung mabibigyan ng justice dito pero ito yung sample sound. Okay naman yung tunog niya, naka full volume na yung kanina, but sometimes I wish it was louder. And last but not the least, it is actually IP64 dust and water resistant. I'm not suggesting na basain o ilublob ninyo sa tubig yung phone ninyo, pero when it comes to that, it will survive. For everything that it has to offer at a base price of 21,599, I must say that this phone is a good buy. And kung medyo namamahalan kayo right now, don't worry kasi tuwing double-digit sale or payday sale, may mga bawas pa yan and meron pa mga vouchers. So kung matagal na kayo naghanap ng sign na bilhin tong phone na to, well, this is your sign. Bilhin mo na yan and don't forget to follow for more tips.